Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology. YouTube channel. Topic of electronics technology news is a scalable surface mounter for smart manufacturing. Designed to balance speed, accuracy, and cost efficiency, this surface mounter helps SMEs, small and medium-sized enterprises automate placement, improve yields, and scale production flexibly. Neoden N10 PSMT machine. Small and medium electronics manufacturers are under growing pressure to increase output, improve quality, and shorten delivery timelines while keeping capital investment under control. Manual placement and outsourced assembly models often fall short, particularly as product complexity rises and order volumes fluctuate. For many SMEs, small and medium-sized enterprises, upgrading to a high-speed SMT surface mount technology placement system has become essential to remain competitive and move towards smarter manufacturing. Neoden addresses these requirements with the N10 PSMT surface mount technology placement machine, developed to deliver industrial-grade performance in SME, small and medium-sized enterprises friendly production environments. The system targets faster return on investment and flexible line operation. By automating placement tasks that typically require multiple skilled operators, it helps improve first-pass yield, reduce labor dependency, and support urgent or small batch production demands. The platform combines a multi-head architecture that enables simultaneous pick-and-place operations to increase components per hour, with a dual-vision system using a flying camera for high-speed correction of small passives, and a dedicated IC camera for precise recognition of complex packages, helping sustain high throughput and placement accuracy. Stability is reinforced through magnetic scale-based closed-loop control on the X and Y axes for repeatable performance during extended operation, while a 3-section automatic conveyor supports seamless integration with loaders, reflow ovens, unloaders, and longboard applications such as LED assemblies. Handling of complex BOM bill of materials is further supported by a wide range of feeder and nozzle options, alongside software features including one-click import from common EDA electronic design automation tools, automatic programming with path optimization, and bad mark detection to reduce rework and component waste, positioning the system as a practical and low-maintenance upgrade path for growing manufacturers. Key features of the machine include high-speed placement performance exceeding 25,000 cph components per hour, 8 independent placement heads, dual-vision system with flying and IC integrated circuit cameras, magnetic scale closed-loop, motion control with plus or minus 25 micrometers, micrometer repeatability, 3-section automatic conveyor, with longboard support up to 1500 mm 33 feeder positions and 39 nozzle options. Compatibility with standard SMT surface mount technology stencil printing workflows. By combining automation, accuracy, and operational simplicity, the platform supports more self-reliant and scalable SMT surface mount technology production for SMEs, small and medium-sized enterprises. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like, and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel, please write @ Electronics Technology 50.